So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your boy Semal here. I'm currently walking in the field looking for my mother. Don't judge me, I just woke up. I woke up like this. Okay, so yeah. So I don't know what's this. I want to be right this stuff. Mommy! Yes guys, I'm seeing something here. I don't know what that. I don't know what that them be right there. It's a probably dog house, I don't know. I hear her. I can't see her. Guys, I'm so tired. It's not. How about this I keep? I'm so tired. It's not funny. Sanctuary. Hold on, guys. Push way. Guys, when you come a bush, when you reach a bush, you have to really be prepared to walk. What's that come advance slippers? What is that? Your mommy a chop. Ah, Maka jut me. Maka jut me. No time this. No time this. But nobody say walk with you, come over.
I'm going to tell you, say,
Alright, so hi guys. So church has just ended and I'm telling you, it was absolutely amazing to be at church today. You know, after all of this time, we have not been able to come in the sanctuary and actually give God worship. You know, say I'm a worshiper, I'm not ask him, I worship, not just worship. But it is actually here with me as well. But it just come back, hi Odette.
hi, Simone.
So guys, I'll see you in the next clip. I'm not sure as to how my day will go, but let's see. No, let's see. Okay, let's see. Look how keep right sir. This man that might come, nobody not come grab this. Guys, right here sir, so what is this for? What is the purpose of this? What is the purpose of this? Embassy? Then visa?
No, the same black thing.
Black Lives Matter?
Yeah.
Guys, you're practicing the Black Lives Matter.
We are not sure if this is what is happening now.
We're not sure if a war are going on, but I don't know what is going on.
But something are going on.
Something I keep.
Something I keep.
Jesus.
Sir, what's happening? You don't know? Okay.
That's what I pay them look them. This
I'm
not
only
look,
for the getter thing, when I say getter life matter.
this not look safe.
Hey.
You know, so I don't know when they do Max.
Right.
You know, you realize Max say people come up in that, you know, sir.
What am I saying?
You never know.
Then where the people
But at
walk?
the Exodus, I say no man, this
No,
not
but
look.
you walk with a crowd and you know walk, but you just I say you either just a walk. No, sir.
And all of them remember color floss. Hi guys, so welcome back again. So this is a new clipping and I'm at church. I'm sorry for the church takes, but as well, you know my road priority always has to be Max right here. Yes, follow on IG. at Girl Max on Instagram. So guys, we're not doing nothing much today. It's a simple chill afternoon. Nothing much, nothing is planned. More than just
Hang out together.
yes, hanging out together. That's it. And then after which point, yes, space I'm tea right now. So listen, let me through, let me out. Where's Monica? People, the man are coming when about and it's not.
I think right away, are we wrong? That's how me could
Oh,
start
guys.
so if we take the next drive, I would do no man.
Why me I told you? Guys, so
We
it's
are come from church with the man.
oh my gosh. Guys, don't look at us right now. Just close your eye. Close your eye, guys. But yes.
Shut
So
them.
it's pretty chill today. As we said, I said not really not much. We don't have nothing much planned. Typical day. Just right there about.
And tell them forgot about from the please come and I want to trim.
Guys, comment down below how bad I need to trim. I don't think it's
I
that.
want to trim him, you know.
Mark, now
I
listen.
trim him last.
Guys, I think I'm gonna do a challenge.
Burger.
I think I need Max to trim me one of these days to
Yeah.
see how good she manifests that she really is at this barbering thing. Come tell you say, I just want her trim. I'm just afraid to go take a trim right about now. Guys, I make Max trim me. No hard feelings, but Max I got trim me. And who vex? Vex. But she says she claims this when she trim me, we can get 2 or more girls. So we want she trim me properly. What? Can't even ask about me, can't even say a certain song, but because you say, I'll leave it alone. In a bone grasa, or just leave it alone.
15 down.
Max.
Oh my gosh.
So guys,
Sabbath.
so see you in the next day when we're gone in.
Not new something I'm starting to cut today. I started that when you're not supposed to do this. In one of the things.
Okay, so we're just walking around. Max not buying nothing. Max, you know, look, that's your hide. Anyway, huh? It's our Sabbath. We're just walking around making a list basically of what we're gonna buy in the future. So I'm just looking overall. We do this very often, right, Max?
Yes.
So we just walk around and we just look to ensure that our prices are matched up, which is right. Guys, I'm tired though. I'm not telling a lie, I'm tired. I just want to sleep. I just want to go sleep. That's when you go home, you're going to be going to bed. Max, I got a party and she doesn't even take care of me. But she said she's going to go to a party, so let's see. Anyways, guys, so see you in the next clip. A late lunch. Nothing major, but yeah, it's all that restaurant. Eat them up. Them food is really good. So yes, guys. So this is it. Lunch. I'm gonna grab on this. Not really good. More than demolish it right now. Cause I'm hungry like a Jesus, like a DOG. Later, guys. All time reggae. My fave. See me I'm eating like a legit. I'm hungry. Done, guys. Done. Demolished. So guys, I am in from church and I'm home, and so I'm closing up the vlog because a boy is tired. Okay, a king needs some sleep. It's like after 11 at night and I'm super tired. When you see me only in a marina, I'm looking at myself right now, only in a marina, you ought to know how tired I am. Yeah, today was really fun at church, and you're gonna see a lot of church clippings because since COVID, I only come out of my house on a Saturday to go to church. Don't judge me, but a boy is not gonna put himself at risk. And even if I do, some places I go, I can't take out my phone to video because you know Jamaica ain't safe like that. If you get me. And this is my only way to vlog at the moment and to do my videos. If this goes, videos are gone. So I'm tired. I'm gonna unwind, get some rest, and plan my week for tomorrow. Well, plan my week starting tomorrow. So yes, so that's what I'm going to do, guys. I want to say thank you so much for all the support on my vlog channel. I'm currently at 103 subscribers. I've passed the 100 mark, so now it's a road to can I say that? I'm gonna touch myself. Now it's the road to 1,000 subscribers, which is absolutely mind-boggling. That's just amazing. I'm already at 100 subscribers, which is so surreal. You know, thank you guys so much for the support for all channels. My main channel needs to get to 100 subscribers too. I'm working on it. I'm finna work on it. I'm finna work. Where? I'm finna work on that and try to get it up to 100. My vlog channel is at 100. I guess you guys love the vlogs more. I don't know. But I don't know. Only likes the madness, only likes the excitement and the whole heap of vibes. I try for these vlogs, but now I'm gonna even go harder. When I say harder, after these clippings, I'm gonna go extremely hard for my vlogs and my challenges, my reactions, everything I'm gonna go hard for. As well as for my main channel, I'm gonna up it a little bit. Seeing that I'm almost at 100, I'm gonna up it. For Sultan and Simon TV, I'm trying to still make a schedule that's okay for Sultania, because you know she has her own schedule, leave me alone, schedule, and so I have to ensure that my schedule coincides with her and to make sure everything's on par. So that is why there's no videos right now, but don't worry, need not to worry, there'll be videos soon. But guys, I want to say thank you so much for all the support right across. I feel the support from all of you, every subscriber, every person who has ever commented on my video. I feel every ounce of it, and I want to say thank you so much. It is because of you guys why I'm able to continue, why I'm able to even go on this journey. I'm on the wall right, so I'm able to continue on this journey, which is to reach a bigger audience, a wider audience, and to continue to do what I love. I love to make videos for you guys. I love to ensure, but I love to see that person enjoy my content, which I really put a lot of effort in. So I want to say thank you so much, guys. Be sure to subscribe on all of my channels. Semal, which is my main channel, which focuses on men fashion and motivational content. King Will Squad, which is a vlog channel and a reaction channel, challenge channel and everything. Titania and Semal TV, which is my best friend's channel. Guys, ensure you subscribe to all three, as my tele says, it's about to turn. Take it from me, Semal. I'm a king, you're royal. Never forget that. It's King Will Squad for a reason. You all are royal. Everybody who comes in contact with me through my videos, you have taken on that badge of royalty. I've given it to you. When I ask you, I tell. Can I talk to you? I'm telling you, I'm not ask you. So guys, ensure you're subscribed. Guys, stay tuned, like this video, comment down below, and tell a friend about King Will Squad and join the squad. And I ask you, King Will Squad. Guys, in my next upload, see you then. Peace. Bye guys.